So some of you guys might know me as a guy that works 1 to 3 hours a day, and just this month in 26 days, this is exactly how much I've made. What I decided to do is I've got my friend Nick here, who's known me for about, we've known each other for like 13, 14 years or more.
Something like that.
And Nick actually helps me with my work, helps me with this little side hustle that I do. And he sees me every day. So Nick, how much do I actually work every single day?
Actually, you want me to really?
Yeah, like actually.
Sometimes like an hour, maybe up to 3 hours a day.
And like, what do we do every day? And be honest.
We come up with an idea for a video or two, we shoot it, place the ads, and then we often go golfing or to the gym.
Like, what did we do yesterday? Obviously, I've got a little son, so like, what did we do yesterday?
Chilled by the pool.
And how much did I make yesterday? Do you remember?
I don't, but I'm sure you do.
I just barely told you before this video, but I made $4,000 sitting by the pool because I have an automated business where I just place ads every single day to an automated sales system. And the business model as a whole is known as the connector business model. So what I'm doing is I'm connecting people to specific businesses where those businesses solve problems for those people. For example, loan companies, companies that do solar, companies that help with weight loss. And so they've already got proven processes. Many of these companies make up to $400 million per year. Yes, $400 million per year. And all I'm doing is I'm copying their business model and I'm injecting it with my own products in my own niche. In this niche, the research is already done. The products are already created. The website's already created. So all I need to do is just simply advertise the website. And I spend, as Nick stated, 1 to 3 hours a day doing that. I'm showing you guys that I'm practicing what I'm preaching because I know there's a lot of gurus out there that are actually preaching a dream and they're living a nightmare. So if you want a real ethical, 100% legitimate way to build a business online, this is not MLM, this is not drop shipping. This is a brand new trend that builds off of an actual business model that's been around for a while, but this is very, very innovative. If you want to learn more about it, let me know in the comments by commenting innovation in the comments. Go ahead, like this video. And then if you want to shortcut your success with this strategy and you want to copy this proven business, this is the same exact business that's made me over $230,000 in profit in the last 100 days, working no more than 1 to 3 hours a day. This was built for beginners. So if you're a beginner marketer, you've never made money online before, this is just for you, as well as those of you guys that might be struggling. It's time you take control of your financial freedom and your future. Go ahead, click on this profile here, scroll to the top. There's gonna be a link in my profile, in my bio. Click that link, enter your information. Do it now, because I don't know when this specific page is going to be taken down. We are only taking on a select group of people. So make sure you go through my profile, click that link, enter your name and email address. You'll see a video on the other side that will explain everything in detail. This is a 100% free video. Put your credit card away. Look forward to seeing your success.